Hello everyone, once again welcome back to Fingertips. What if I say that you can easily generate an AI based art of yourself? Yes guys, like a portrait of yourself, a picture with your loved ones, or even a random web design. Yes guys, we humans always had that curiosity about art from the starting. Art has always played a significant role in many of our lives. Whether it was a cave painting or art of the ancient world representing about different cultures, values and beliefs of those early civilizations. Like really, there was a time when people were able to write, read and communicate critical important events only because of the art. The ancient art was so fascinating that sometimes they looked like a 3D picture. Do you know, sculptures in those ancient Egypt times really started taking off? Like you guys remember those Egyptian pyramids, they were totally filled with different types of arts of all kinds. They were painting done on stones and tombs. Now when we look at our modern culture, these levels of arts are on another level. Now we have artificial intelligence to express ourselves and tell different stories. In recent years, there have been so many advances in artificial intelligence and people have been exploring different artificial intelligence applications in various domains, including art. This artificial intelligence generated art is not only advancing the fields of digital art and art history, but also inspiring our perspective on the future of art itself. In a nutshell, AI algorithms have learned the visual structure, styles, and text labels to create different images. But at the same time, some of us still have doubts about AI, that it is a powerful tool or a potential threat. Recently, there is a viral social media post shared by a Twitter user, Madhav Kohli, showing the perfect descriptions of Indian men and women from various regions of India. The artist has used a popular AI-based tool known as Midjourney to create those impactful images. These images were generated using AI through several different methods, where one of the methods includes the uses of generative adversarial networks known as GANs. What it does it uses two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator, where the generator keeps on creating images based on prompts entered by several users and real-life images. These images later on can be used for a variety of purposes like movies, video games, and to create environments and characters. So I can surely say that AI has the potential to be a powerful tool for creating several new arts, enhancing environments, and also for scientific research. But every side has a darker part, right? Yes guys, AI generated images sometimes can be used to spread misinformation. Like AI generated images of different personalities or politicians and even celebrities could be used to spread fake news or manipulate public opinions. Also, sometimes your images can be used to create deepfake videos, which could be used to defame anyone. Even many of us fear, what if machines will able to think and act like us? Then they could easily take over our jobs and ultimately replace us. And do you know what? Even scientists around the world are researching about AI systems with the goal of assisting or even replacing humans in the performance of their task. By the way, what do you guys think? That will AI machines will ever be going to replace humans? Comment down below. So at last, I would just say that we still don't know the complete potential of AI, as from creating hyper-realistic images to writing movies. However, there are many more concerns regarding the creation of AI-generated art, apart from ethical concerns. Also, there is a little fear of losing traditional art created by real humans, though AI-generated art is sold for high prices. On the other hand, there is this technology known as EEG, where artists' thoughts get captured from their brain signals. Thus, at last, we can say that AI has lots of possibilities that are both exciting and scary at the same time. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. For more updates, subscribe to Fingertips.